Presenting the 2012 Dodge Journey. Grab life by the horns. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include alloy rims, roof rails, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, anti-lock brakes. Inside you'll find Bluetooth connectivity, remote start, steering wheel controls, push-button start, curtain head airbags, front airbags, side impact door beams, child safety locks, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."
This pre-owned vehicle includes a 10-year, 100,000-mile limited drivetrain warranty, a year of scheduled maintenance including 3 oil changes, a tire rotation, and rental car coverage. Don't you deserve the Bill Cole advantage?